Welcome to Vintage Stitchery Archives. Let's step back into the 1940s with this vintage WorkBasket magazine from May 1949. For this flip through, I've chosen to present the entire magazine as full-page slides. This way you can pause at any point and even save a screenshot if you'd like to take a closer look. The complete magazine has been preserved as a PDF, and you'll find it available in my Etsy shop. The link is in the description below. This issue includes both home decor projects and small accessories, making it a versatile one for crafters of the time. This crochet edge begins with a small chain. Directions can be repeated for desired length. New easy way to make pin curls without bobby pins. 36 curl clasps, only $1.49. Saves time, no more pinched curls, and holds curls secure. Gotta love those advertisements from the 1940s. Thank you for joining me for this vintage WorkBasket magazine flip through. If you enjoy needlework history, please like, subscribe, and share. It helps preserve these treasures and keeps more vintage magazines coming your way. Thanks for watching.